like ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to archive a project in Asana. So archiving a project is sometimes better than deleting if you just want to get rid of it from your active projects, but you want to save the data, because if you archive it, you can always get the information back at a later date if you need to. So this is how you do it. So all we need to do is we're going to click on our project, then we're going to click on the project that we want to archive. Once it's open, we're going to navigate to the name of the project and click on the actions arrow, and a new tab will open. We're going to scroll right down to the bottom where it says archive. So all you need to do is click on archive, and that project will be archived so you can find it later if you need to. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.